It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Now, a story to inspire you. Of course, human beings have managed to explore just about every corner of our planet, but beyond Earth, there's still so much more to be discovered. In fact, researchers from the European Space Agency have been on a mission to explore comets in deep space, and their quest to find answers about our universe has just gotten a whole lot more interesting.
It was in March of 2004 that the Rosetta spacecraft jetted off from planet Earth in one of the most ambitious and inspiring space science adventures to date, a mission to study comets. Traveling through deep space, it took 10 years to finally meet a comet. In 2014, the main science mission got underway, and as Rosetta got closer, the true shape of the comet revealed itself. Water vapor was found steaming off it, equivalent to 2 small glasses of water every second. On the surface, it was found to be a chilling -70 degrees centigrade. Becoming the first spacecraft in history to orbit a comet, the next game-changing mission was finally underway, to land a spacecraft called Philae onto the comet. A landing site was selected, and after a 7-hour descent, Philae successfully became the first robot to land on a comet. But then something went horribly wrong. While landing, it failed to secure itself to the comet's surface and bounced into a shady section of the comet. Without sunlight, the solar power systems failed, and Philae shut down, with no possibility of coming back to life. But after going dark for 7 months, scientists at the European Space Agency suddenly received a signal from Philae this past week. The craft had awoken, even sending out the first tweet ever from a comet saying, "Hello Earth, can you hear me?" In a race against time, Philae has already discovered some fascinating properties of the comet, like the fact that it emits gases like carbon monoxide, methane, ammonia, methanol, and carbon dioxide. Providing the first ever visuals of a comet from its surface, it gives an eerie perspective of what has to be one of the loneliest places in the universe. So, what answers does it hope to provide? Well, it may give us a window into the early stages of the solar system itself. It might tell us where the origin of the water that we have on Earth came from, or help us understand the origin of life on Earth. Mostly, though, it's hunting for surprises. With millions more comets to discover and explore, Rosetta and Philae will continue to attempt to answer questions about our solar system. What will they discover next? Only time will tell.
Wow, truly fascinating stuff. Now, if you fancy yourself an explorer, at least of the earthly kind, you can make your travel dreams a reality and collect 1 Avios for every 10 Rand that you spend using your Avios credit card. And of course, you can get double when you fill up your vehicle with fuel or you stay at a Protea hotel. And finally, you can use the Avios that you've collected for flights to worldwide destinations.